Hey everyone, it's Ryder CS here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spongebob movie Sponge Out of Water. It has Mr. Krabs, Plankton, Squidward, and Patrick and SpongeBob on their superpowers. On the front. On the side it's got SpongeBob. And on the back, it has got Squidward, Mr. Krabs, SpongeBob, Patrick, and Sandy. This is the best film of the year. There's some movie images with SpongeBob and his superpower. I forgot his name, but there's Patrick looking at a foot, it looks like. So let's start unboxing it. I got this on Amazon for $9. Oh God! Oh, fine. I'm trying to get some boxes from the front area first. Now let's see what the disc looks like. Just a plain old disc. It says Nickelodeon. Alright, so that was my unboxing of the SpongeBob movie, Sponge Out of Water. Thanks for watching!